Mr. Kabir.
Yeah,
Nice.
call me Kabir. Don't call me sir. Okay, because we're just like same. Okay, same age.
It doesn't matter like a same age. This is the way it's like I talk with my every subscriber, with my every friend. Okay, anyway, I'll call you Kabir. Is that
Yeah,
cool?
it sounds good actually when you call the same age person like with name or just like behaving with someone just like friends. So when you're gonna call me sir, so that time I would feel a little bit awkward, a little bit odd, right?
You will feel little bit awkward, or you will feel little bit superior.
Not superior, of course not. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, if I would talk to any junior or who is younger than me, then it is
mm-hmm.
okay. But
Absolutely.
when I talk to same age people or older than me, then I always
Mm,
prefer say, please don't call me sir. My
mm.
name is Kabir. You can call me Kabir. So yeah, it
I,
sounds good.
that's great. That's great, sir. What's going on? What's going on? Life? How's life?
Life is going well. I'm happy with my life. What is going on. I just completed my graduation and yeah, kind of busy with my YouTube a little bit and yeah, I'm looking for my better future.
Absolutely, absolutely. So your college has ended over, or still you are pursuing something? Like you're pursuing something?
No, no. I completed my graduation. Okay, I have done BTech.
Mm,
This 2021 I just completed my graduation and I'm not thinking to study more. Yeah, I could
mm-hmm.
study. I was
Yeah.
thinking before pandemic, but after pandemic, I thought, let's stop the study here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's
Now,
let's start thinking about making money.
absolutely. Now, what's your intent now? What's your intent now?
Well, of course, I would like to do job, and I was working, but these days I'm not working because I left my last organization due to some reason, some choices as well. Okay, because I was
Mm,
feeling I'm not interested that much,
mm-hmm.
so I decided to left that one, and
Mm,
yeah, I left that one. And of course, I would join, whenever I will get a chance.
mm-hmm. Well, Comnicon also, it's very close to us. It's on
Hmm.
the urge. Omicron, the virus. We never know what's gonna
Yeah, yeah.
happen tomorrow.
Okay,
Yes,
Omicron. Yeah,
I'm talking about Omicron, but we
yeah.
we call Omicron something like that. I'm pronouncing right? Omicron or Omicron? What's
No,
exactly?
it's Omicron, I think. Yeah, Omicron.
Omicron, huh?
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah,
That's a
day
fantastic name.
by day by day, number of cases is increasing. So, if number of cases is increasing, so it sounds like, more lockdown period is gonna increase. So let's see what
Mm-hmm.
happens in upcoming time.
Absolutely, absolutely. Do you think
So of
that
course,
do you think they
we
will
should.
impose a lockdown? Do you think government will
Uh,
impose a lockdown?
it depends upon the number of cases actually, because
Mm,
yeah, if number of cases increase, then obviously it's very quite obvious that lockdown will start again across
absolutely.
the country. And when it comes to especially South Africa, all kind of flights are abundant due to this Omicron.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly African continent, that's why.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see, it's depend on number of cases, I think.
Absolutely, absolutely right. Yes, absolutely right, Mr.
Yeah.
Kabir, Mr. Kabir.
So what's going on in your life?
Well, I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying my life.
Okay,
Ever
that's
since,
great.
ever since lockdown has started, I
Mm-hmm.
am enjoying my life. Everything is
Great.
cool. Everything is going on very well.
Hmm.
Yes,
So, how do you enjoy? How are you enjoying your life? Could you please tell
I'm
me?
I'm enjoying life with talking with people, getting number of people day by day. I talk with them.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, I start teaching as well. I teach some of the
Great,
students as well.
great,
So
great.
it's going on. It's going on. I create a video on YouTube every day. So these things, life is going on. I'm working on my project, on my application as well. So I have lots of things to do in a day,
Yeah.
whole day. I have lots of things to do. That's how I'm enjoying my day. That's how I'm
Mm-hmm.
enjoying my life, to help more and more people. That's how I feel good. You know, I feel good to
Great,
enjoy.
great,
Yes.
great step. Yeah, great step. Yeah, that's
Yes,
really
absolutely.
great. I appreciate it because you know very well, you know that we are struggling with our English, of
Yes,
course.
absolutely. Yes,
So if we are helping,
how
yeah,
I struggle
how
in my
I
past.
struggle, how you struggle, how people struggle, okay, with
Yes,
the
yes.
English.
Mm-hmm.
When they come to know that it's very much important for me,
Hmm.
otherwise I wouldn't be able to get a job.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah,
But Mr. Kabir, people are taking seriously. People should not take
yeah,
seriously this language. Just when I
it's
told lots of my subscribers, don't take seriously. Just have a fun. Just have a
exactly.
fun. Enjoy the time, enjoy the period. Just have a fun with English. Don't take seriously. This is just a language.
Yeah.
Don't take seriously. But they are not ready to understand. They are not ready to listen to me. You know.
Even I have told the same to a lot of people. So why are you
Hmm.
taking it so seriously, when it comes to English? So you're gonna
Hmm.
feel like it's a rocket science. No, it's not. It's a language just like Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, Malayalam, Telugu, Punjabi, and all. So, but
Hmm.
we are taking it seriously. It's English. I can't speak. And one more thing, we make mistake while speaking Hindi, we make mistake while speaking Urdu, English, Bengali, we make mistake everywhere. But when we make mistake while speaking English, that time people notice more and more that, oh, you don't know English and you are trying to speaking, come on.
Absolutely, absolutely. It happened, especially in India. It's
Yeah,
happened, especially in India. If someone trying to speak English, the other people will distract him. That, oh, come on, if you don't know, don't speak. Yeah,
exactly. And if you
yeah.
know, and if you're gonna speak in front of people, in front of just out of your home, so people are gonna feel like, oh, now you're pretending you know English, that's why you're showing you off like, yo, you know English,
Yes,
that's why you're speaking. So we need
absolutely,
to we have to face this kind of thing, while learning or while speaking, because environment matters a lot.
absolutely, absolutely. So, yeah, in my opinion, also, environment matters a lot. You know, we
Exactly,
need
yeah.
we need environment. If somebody, if I wants to learn, if you want to learn, if anybody wants to learn English, environment matters.
Exactly, yeah.
Without practice, it's in my opinion, this is my personal opinion, that without practice, learning a spoken English, it's quite hard. Without speaking,
It's
without practice.
impossible, it's not hard, it's impossible, okay. It's a language. If you want to be a speaker, then you will have to speak.
Absolutely, but people are not ready to listen. People are not ready to listen. They always told me, Arif bhai, you know words, it's not coming from my, while speaking, I'm completely blank while during the
Hmm.
conversation. I
It
just
happened.
can't. It
It
happened. This
happened.
is the normal. This is normal things.
Yeah,
This is very normal things. It's a
exactly.
normal thing. Yes, because they are learner. We are learning. Even
It.
I'm learning. Even I
Yeah.
am learning English. We all are learning
See,
English, although we are
when
not completed yet.
exactly when I was learning English, and still I believe, and I say always, like it's a language. I believe I would always believe myself as a learner. Okay, because it's a never-ending process. If you want to learn, you can
Absolutely,
grow more and more and more. Every 2 hours, a new word is added to English dictionary. So how could you stop your learning? You can't. If you
absolutely,
want to improve,
absolutely,
if you want to brush it up, you can. So I
absolutely.
always believe myself as a learner. Okay.
Absolutely, me too, me too. I'm also
Yeah,
learner, and
exactly. Everyone.
learning in English is a lifelong process.
Yeah, never
It's
ending
not,
process.
yeah, it's not like for a 1 month, 2 month, 1 year, 5 years. No,
Yeah.
it's learn every day, learn something new, keep explore something new every day.
Hmm. And when I was learning English, to be honest, I got to know about your channel. Then
Hmm.
I saw about your YouTube channel named Arif Auto. Then I got to after watching some of your videos, then I got to know about you. So I just want to know. I just want to ask you one question. Like, what inspired you to learn English suddenly?
Not suddenly, sir, Mr.
Okay,
Kabir.
okay.
Not suddenly. I have been trying, you know. I have been trying. Still, I have been trying. Okay, I'm not completed. Still,
Mm-hmm.
I have been trying learning English for the last couple of the year. I really exactly don't know, but I have been learning. I have been trying to learn English for the last couple of years, and still I'm learning. Not only English, I'm fascinated by other language as well.
Great.
Yeah, so it's just this is just I'm not taking seriously this
Okay.
language. I'm not
Okay.
taking seriously. I'm just having fun with English only.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. That's it. And nobody inspired me. This is my passion. This is my font to learn different things. This is just my font.
Oh,
So,
you want to learn
yes,
different kind of languages, various types of languages. It's your passion, right? That's
yeah,
why
it's
you
my
started
passion.
learning English as well.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Great, great, great.
Yes, 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 Mr. Kabir. What
So,
about you?
which one is your next language that you want to learn?
No, now I stopped. Now I wanted to be master in English. I'm not gonna.
Okay,
I don't want to learn any more language. I just wanted to
okay.
smart. I wanted to be a perfect. I wanted to be master in English now. Now
Great,
I
great.
am concentrating only on English right now. Not. I'm
Mm.
not. I'm not looking for any other language. I'm just learning English every day.
So, what do you think? What can help you a lot to improve your English? Reading, writing, watching videos, or something else?
Only reading.
Only
Reading
reading.
helps. Yeah, reading helps me a lot. Reading helps me a lot to understand words, to understand what trying to say inside the paragraph. And I
Mhm.
don't read one time. I read couple of time. One
Great.
paragraph I
Mhm.
read couple of time. Not only one time. I read couple of time, again and again, again and again, until I understand.
Mhm.
This is my
So,
procedure.
what kind of books do you read? Spiritual book or novels or story or something else?
Or whatever, it doesn't matter. Like nowadays I'm reading APJ Abdul Kalam. Then I have
Okay.
so many other books. Sometime I read newspapers. So it doesn't matter whatever you are reading. It doesn't
Mhm.
matter. Matter is that read
Read.
meticulously. Read meticulously. Read
Exactly.
exactly meticulously. You must have a patience.
Yeah.
Whatever you are reading, you must understand what you are reading. These things matter. These things matter.
Yeah. 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 Correct. Correct.
Yes, Mr.
Yeah. So I
Mr.
asked you a lot of questions. So if you have any kind of question, if you want to ask them, come on.
What are you trying to achieve, Mr. Rural Talk? What's going on in your channel? I want to know. You have also a fantastic channel. So what's
Okay.
your plan after learning English? Although you are good in
Uh,
English,
hmm. Okay.
yeah.
Well, I started my channel when I was learning. When I started learning English, just that time I got to know about these kind of channels and all. People making one-on-one conversation, and they're uploading on YouTube. They are getting views and all, and they're getting people as well to talk with.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
That's why my friend and me started the channel, and we started that way. And after that, I learned English.
Hmm.
And after that, I thought I started getting requests of people. So
Hmm.
I thought it's the best, a good way to do a
Hmm.
kind of social work to help people as well. So I did continue after that. So
Hmm.
still I'm continue, and I'm doing conversations. I'm helping people, and I'm uploading videos over there. So that's how I started that one.
Our channel, people are motivating. People are getting motivation by seeing
Mm-hmm.
us while speaking with other people.
Yeah,
They are
yeah,
getting motivation. You know, they are motivated by looking us day by day, every day.
hundred
Majority of
percent.
the people, 100%. This is this is this is the learning platform as well as
Yeah,
motivation platform. Not only this is not only an education channel. This is only a motivation channel as well. That people are motivating by seeing
mm-hmm.
you, by seeing me. They are getting motivation as well.
Right, exactly, exactly. Absolutely. That when I got to know about your channel, and you told, I used to drive auto, I was a auto driver and all. So I knew about South Indian people, but though you are not from South India, okay. So I
Hmm.
know about South India. I went to South India for the very first time, and I was like astonished. oh my God, even auto driver they are speaking English, and I am not able to speak English. So
Absolutely.
that time, that time I felt quite like devastated, awkward, bored, sad, everything I felt. Okay, like they can speak, but I can't.